Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss an important topic called this keyword in Java. We are going to see the definition and usage of this keyword. This keyword represents the current object in the member method. So what is this current object? The object through which the method is called. That is what we call it as current object. So this keyword will represent the current object. So if you take an example, say if you have a program where you have more than one object, say you got two objects been declared, okay, by default only one object will be on the memory, okay, we call it as current object. Say for example, when you create the first object will be in the memory, so this keyword will represent that object. After the first object execution is completed, the second object is created. So once the second object is created, that becomes the current object. So the same way that this keyword also represents the second object, that will be the current object. So current object is nothing but an object which is in the memory. Okay. So this keyword will represent the current object. It also resolves the conflict between instance variable and local variable. So we are going to see what is instance variable and what is local variable with the help of an program. So just know what is instance variable. A variable which is declared above all the methods. So that is outside the methods, member method, we call it as instance variable. That means you can call it as global variable. It can be used any method you want. You can use it inside any method you want, okay, throughout the program. But in the other hand, local variables are the variables which is declared inside a member method. That means the local variable can be used only within the method. It cannot be used outside. Okay. So let's see a program in Java. So in BlueJ I created a class. Name is keyword this. Okay. So they just given a name because I am going to describe about this keyword. So I just gave the name same for the topic. That is keyword this. Now inside this I declared an instance variable, or you can call it as data member. So I created one variable x, okay, and I have initialized an integer value 15. So remember x equal to 15, that represents the global variable, that is instance variable. So this variable can be accessed only through an object, okay, and also this variable can be used anywhere inside the program. So it is not no restriction there. You can use that x value wherever you want. Right. Now inside void display, I declared another variable which has the same name, that is x, but I initialize the value 10. Now since I said x can be used anywhere you want, here you can see another x, there is another variable with the same name. Now what happens? Now the problem is which value will be taken. So x will have x is having two values, 15 and 10. Which value is taken when you execute the program? So we will be seeing the output. I am just displaying an system.println and displaying the x value. Now I created another function called that is main function to create an object. So keyword this ob equal to new keyword this. Okay, so I created an object ob. Now I am calling ob.display. Now this line will invoke this method, okay, void display. Now we will check which variable is called, okay, whether it is calling x equal to 15, that is global variable, or x equal to 10, that is local variable. Okay, so I am compiling it. No syntax errors. So I am going to execute it. Now you can see x equal to 10 is being invoked. That means it is accessing only the local variable. It is not accessing the global variable. So there is a conflict, right? So according to the rules definition, this global variable, it is called as global variable because it can be accessed anywhere. Okay, but in this case where you have another variable of the same name, it is overriding the global variable. So local variable is more powerful than the global variable. So it is accessing the local variable and displaying the value 10. Now how to overcome this? How to resolve this conflict? You can use this keyword. So where to use this? You are going to use it in system.println. So I am writing this dot x. Okay. Now I am going to check what is going to happen. So I am going to compile this. So I am going to execute the main function. Now you can see x value which is globally declared, that is 15 is displayed on the screen. Okay, so this keyword will resolve the conflict between the local variable and global variable. So whenever you want to access the local variable, you can directly give x. If you want to access the global variable, that is instance variable, you can use the keyword this. Okay, so this will represent the current object. So you can see OB is the current object. Okay, and this object is used to access the data members. Okay, so the data member x has been used here, and it displays the value 15 on the screen. So hope you understood this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.